to another video. I am Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. In today's video, I have an unboxing from Oraloa, and I'm really excited for this one. I have been wanting to open this for a while, and it's one that I cannot wait to work on, and I think that it's going to be really pretty. I also wanted to let everybody know that I am now an affiliate with Oraloa, and I'm really excited about that as well. I just found out on Friday, and so today's Saturday, my time, or my day. So I wanted to let you know that if you are interested in anything from Oraloa, I have a 15% discount code, and that is good for all the time. So it's not just for, one-time usage or for new shoppers only, but you can use it anytime that you would like. So that's definitely in the description below. But I wanted to go ahead and open this one. This is this is a box that everything is in, of course, but it does come in a shipping box that was really sturdy. There wasn't any issues with shipping, so that was really nice. They also have this on the outside, and I don't remember this little package here being in my last order. I'm sure that it was. They have Halloween stickers, and they have Halloween stickers also stuck on the bag, so that's really cute. And then this looks like a little charm, and that is a little cat on a broom. I can easily make that into a cover minder, and I probably will. That's just really cute. And then here is just a little mini boat. It says Oraloa on the back, and it's Halloween, of course. And then we have just a couple of little trinkets here. That's really pretty. There is a Oraloa sticker for Halloween, and it says, "Let your creativity soar." I love stickers. Then we have a couple of these. It says Oraloa on it. These are little, like playing cards, kind of. And then this says, Oraloa gives the email information, their website, and it says worldwide shipping. I'll get it in a minute. And it says thank you. And here's another little charm here. Another sticker says Aloha. And this says, "You have the 3 tikis, contact us." So I'd have to do a scratch off, it looks like. I don't have anything to scratch it off with, but I will definitely do that and see. And I won't, because there's already 2 on here and it's not going to match. Okay, so now let's get into the fun part. This one is, wait for it, this one is Take Care by Laure Phelipon, and I really like her work. I have several that's in my wish list, and this one is an 85 by 56 centimeters, or that's 33.46 by 22.05 inches. And this is square diamonds. It is licensed. So in other words, this this artist will actually receive credit for this, will be compensated. It also has Oraloa's website on the back of the box. And let me get this plastic off. It has turned off chilly here, and anything that I've done today has really produced a lot of static. I was actually trying to kit up early this morning while everybody else was still asleep, and the static was just awful. So I had to get some bounce sheets, some dryer sheets. It worked okay, but I've just left them with the bounce sheets just for a while to see if that's going to help. And that was a Diamond Art Club piece, so I was really surprised at that. Let's see, this is taped. Give me just 1 second. Okay, this comes in a very nice dust cover. I'm going to take this off. I don't usually keep my dust covers. Once I go ahead and open up the actual canvas. I just throw the dust cover away, but I do put it back into the box, and it's usually fine. I haven't had any problems on any of mine doing it that way. This feels really heavy. I wonder how many drills are in here. I didn't think it's going to be that many drills, but I could be totally wrong. Okay, let's see. There's our sticker sheet coming out. That is rather heavy. Okay. Toolkit. I'm going to roll this one backwards. There looks like there's a lot of wrinkles in here. I hope that that's all it is just a wrinkle in the canvas and not actually on the canvas. That it's just because of the way that it was shipped. Because this is poured glue, I can roll this backwards if I can even get it to roll. This canvas is really soft. It's very plushy. I love their canvases. Okay. Let's see. All right, I'm going to flip this around here. This isn't going to all fit on my table, so I'll just have to show you slowly. Let's see if I can move this out some. Okay. I'll show you the canvas in just a minute. I want to make sure this is really good and sticky. This feels on the front more like vinyl. It's a little different than the other one that I have of theirs. And really, the glue on this side, it goes a little over, so I will use washi. On the bottom, it really doesn't. It just stops right where the drill field is, so that's really good. I'm looking at the symbols. As far as I can tell, the symbols look really good and clear. This also looks like it's going to have quite a bit of color blocking in certain areas. There are 50 colors, and we have at the top, I'm going to roll this up slowly so you can see, and also do a pan over so you'll be able to see it whenever I am done. But it is a cute little cat, a lady holding the cat, cuddling, and then also I love her little glasses here. And she has a hairband, it looks like, and that's what my daughter loves to wear. And her hair's up in a bun. So my daughter's going to love this one. There's a lot of colors. And let's see, I'm just trying to see if there's anything in here that might alert me to a possible problem. There are 4 ABs in here. And I can already tell I'm going to add some more ABs, especially like to her glasses. That'd be pretty cool. There's also a thumbnail at the top here. There's not any rivers. That was my concern when I first opened this, since there were some areas on the back, but it doesn't have any bearing on this. The bottom does show Laure Phelipon. It also shows the dimensions. And it also says over here colors. It even says licensed by. So that's really good to know. And then Oraloa is on the side here. So let's take a look at the drills. I'm going to turn this sideways. You might be able to see it a little bit better. You may have to tilt your head a little bit, but you'll be able to see it better. My table is not wide at all. But that looks like that fits pretty good. So that's really cute. Their colors do come in baggies, so that's nice. I'm not going to open all of these. It looks like they are in order, which is really nice. I love it when they have DMC order. So I'll show you these colors. I'm going to turn the light off, see if that will help a little bit. There's a glare. It's probably when I'm recording it too. It's not very sunny out today. There's lots of pinks and blues and browns. I hope there's not going to be a lot of trash in here. I won't know, obviously, until I really get in here. So far, of course, it looks good, but I said that on not Oraloa's, but another one that I was working on, and the drills were kind of rough. This one looks good. It looks shiny. I don't really see, just at first glance, any tabs on them. That's what I always look for. So if you're going to have squares, more than likely you're going to have trash. You're going to have some tabs on the side. So I'm going to put those over here. And we have a sticker sheet, which is very nice. It also has a photo, which I will use this to put in my logbook. And then it has just some other stickers I can cut out if I want to. And then it has all the colors here on your chart. And all I have to do is just pull these up and put these on my actual covers that I will be using, my containers. So that's really nice. And they're not so sticky that it's hard to come up off the containers. Some that I have had have been really sticky, and these are not. It also gives you an instruction booklet if you are not sure how to diamond paint. And then on this one, it does give you a code for 15% off your next purchase. So you can use either this one or my code. Either code will work for you. They'll just save you some money. Not trying to sell anything. I just want to save money for everybody where I can. Here are the instructions. They also give you some tips and tricks. And then I also bought a coffee mug. This says, Oraloa, let your creativity sparkle. On the back side is why I bought it. It says peace, love, and diamond paint. So that would be really cute, especially if I go to like a crop or anything where we can scrapbook or work on whatever we want to. I always take my diamond paintings. Thought that would be really fun to take. So I bought that. And let's see, I have not opened the toolkit. I was so excited about looking at this actual kit, the canvas. I didn't open the toolkit. This is your typical basic toolkit. You have, if I can get it out of the plastic here, you have a boat that is hung on the side. If I could use my left hand worth anything, then I might be in luck, but I can't, so I have to live with it. This says Mosfa. This is a Mosfa boat. And we have a squishy for our pen. We have is this a 7-placer? 7-placer. It's a wider one. I usually use the thin placers. I just do better with those. But that's just me. And then we have a pen that has, it looks like a 2-placer on one end, single placer on the other. We've been working out in the yard. I broke my nail. It looks terrible. So sorry. We have the blue wax. It comes in this little container, little clear plastic container. And then we have their tweezers. Since this is a square, they give you tweezers. These are sharp, but they're not like poke you in the eyeball sharp. But they're sharp enough, and the top was not on, so I'm going to put that on there so I do not poke myself. But I really do like this kit. There were so many that I wanted to purchase, and I'm working on my other one. My daughter wants to work on it, so I'm going to leave that for her for a while. And the one that I have opened, I guess it was maybe a couple months ago, but this one is one I'm going to do because I just love this one. And I might even frame this one if it turns out really well, because I am definitely a cat lover. I have 2 dogs too. I love my dogs, but for some reason I am just really right now into diamond painting cats. And I do have one cat, and she's a black cat, but it's just something about cats lately. If I see a diamond painting that has cats, then I want to do it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, please put those down underneath the comments. I would love to hear from you. That looks like it's almost ripped. I'm looking at, sorry, I got distracted there. I'm looking at the actual clear cover. That's okay. It just looks like it's not ripped. Okay. But this is a thicker covering here, which I do like. At first, when I started working with the really thick covers, I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not, but I've gotten to where I really like them. I think this is fun. I think it's just got bent from shipping. I don't see any problems with my canvas whatsoever, and so I'm really, really excited about. But again, I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. That way you will be alerted for any upcoming and new videos that have come out. And until next time, guys, keep on diamond painting. Bye.